and welcome to English Learning. In today's video, you will learn advanced vocabulary words that you can use to avoid saying very. So, without wasting much time, let's begin. Instead of saying very interesting, you can use fascinating. For example, I heard a fascinating story. Next word is transparent. Instead of saying very open, you can say transparent. For example, thank you for being so transparent. Next word is impoverished. Instead of saying very poor, you can say impoverished. For example, the impoverished man could not afford to send his daughter to school. Next word is furious. Instead of saying very angry, you can say furious. For example, I was furious with her. Next word is adorable. Instead of saying very cute, you can use adorable. For example, what an adorable baby. Next word is straightforward. Instead of saying very honest, you can say straightforward. For example, she gave straightforward responses. Next word is cramped. Instead of saying very crowded, you can say cramped. For example, he doesn't like to be in cramped elevators. Next word is arduous. Instead of saying very difficult, you can say arduous. For example, it was a long and arduous journey. And the last word is thrilled. Instead of saying very excited, you can say thrilled. For example, I am thrilled to be invited to the party. So, this much in today's video. Do like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.